The Mr. Philippines 2026, the launching from
I'm from Macabebe, Pampanga.
I'm from Santo Tomas City, Batangas.
I'm from Orion, Bataan.
From Binyan, Laguna.
have you ever experienced to join pageants already before? So why the nationals for Mr. Philippines?
Yeah, basically to answer the question, this is like my second national pageant. My first one was happened in 2024 where I competed on Mr. Philippine Youth and luckily I'm able to bag one of the title which is Mr. Philippine Youth Education. And why I joined Mr. Philippines? Because I believe that Mr. Philippines is not just looking for a good face. It's actually looking for someone or an ambassador who can behold the values of Filipino people. And
It is not only the body and the face that is important. What is important also is the attitude. How for you important is attitude on games on pageants like this?
Like Tito Rex said to me earlier before the event started, they're not looking for someone who has the face. They're not looking for someone who has the body. They're looking for someone who can gain respect towards their good manners, towards their personalities, and of course towards the charisma that they can bring towards people.
Very well said. So, Bataan, you are also known to be and hindi susuko sa maanumang labanan. So, this is, I think, one of the puksaan of male pageantry. How would you be able to cope up with other giant names that we have there?
Sa akin po, gusto ko lang din ma-experience yung lumaban sa gantong pageant dahil isa po itong malaking pageant, prestigious po na pageant. At gusto kong ipakita na ang Bataan hindi lang probinsya o gusto kong makilala nila na kung ano meron sa Bataan at proud po ako na taga Bataan.
Next question is, ano pong meron ka at anong meron sa Laguna that you will be able to get one of the crowns? I think we have 7 crowns. So, we don't know yet what are the crowns that we have there. So, how would you be able to get the crowns? Ikaw ay galing sa Laguna. Ang Laguna ay kilala sa mga magagaling sa mga contest, I think.
siguro yung meron ako, yung advocacy ko, naano ko na siya, nagagawa ko na siya bago pa ako sumali dito. Like, na-educate ko yung mga kabataan through yung pagiging good example ko. As public servant, syempre, dapat tayo, yung masigla, tapos positive. Yan yung mga katangian natin dapat na meron sa pagiging Mr. Philippines.
Makisig, matapang, masigasig, lahat po ng meron tayo niyan here at Mr. Philippines. Again, congratulations everyone and good luck to your journey here at Mr. Philippines 2026 and I hope one of you will gonna get one of those crowns.